80% of drivers have no idea these hidden features even exist in their cars. From secret buttons that supercharge your AC to hidden hacks buried in your key fob, modern cars are loaded with features you've probably never used. In this video, we're diving into 13 hidden car features you'll regret not knowing sooner. These hidden features are not just cool, they could save you time, headache, and thousands in repairs. So buckle up, because the first one might just be sitting in your car, unused for years. Let's get started. Secret number 13, recirculation button. The recirculation button plays a huge role in both your comfort and your vehicle's HVAC efficiency. When you activate this feature, your car stops pulling in outside air and continuously recycles the air already inside your cabin. This makes your AC work faster and reduces the amount of dust, pollen, and pollution coming into your vehicle. It's especially helpful during heavy traffic, sandstorms, or driving through industrial zones. What many people don't realize is that it also protects your cabin air filter from getting clogged too quickly. Just remember to switch it off once the car is cooled, or your windows may fog up. It's a small button with a big impact. Secret number 12, key fob brain boost. The key fob brain boost is a popular trick that drivers use to increase the range of their key fob signal. If you're ever far from your car and the fob isn't unlocking the doors, you might have seen people hold the key fob to their chin or temple to make it work. Sounds like magic, but there's real science behind it. 85% of your brain is made up of water, and water is excellent at conducting and amplifying radio waves. When you hold the key fob against your head, your brain acts like a biological antenna. This helps extend the range of the signal and giving you a few extra feet of range. It's a bizarre trick that actually works and can save you from walking those extra steps, especially in crowded parking lots or when carrying groceries. Secret number 11, secret fuel tank arrow. Every time you pull into a gas station and can't remember which side your fuel door is on, you're playing a game your dashboard already solved. Look closely at your fuel gauge. See that little gas pump icon? Right next to it is usually a tiny arrow, and it points directly to the side of the vehicle where your gas cap is located. It's such a simple thing, but most drivers never notice it until someone points it out. This little trick can save you from awkward repositioning on the fuel station. The next time you're renting a car or borrowing a friend's ride, this one feature will make you feel like a pro. Secret number 10, the sliding sun visor. That blinding beam of sunlight always finds the one spot your visor can't cover, until now. In many cars, the sun visor doesn't just flip down. It slides outward along its rail, giving you extra coverage on the sides where glare often creeps in. This is a game changer when driving during sunrise or sunset, especially on long road trips or during winter when the sun sits lower in the sky. Most drivers flip it down and give up, not realizing their visor was designed to extend and protect more than they think. It's a feature that often feels like a luxury, but is quietly built into a surprising number of vehicles. Next time you're squinting on the highway, give that visor a little tug and watch the light disappear. Secret number 9, touchscreen climate controls. Touchscreen climate controls are a modern replacement for traditional knobs and buttons used to adjust your car's temperature, fan speed, and airflow direction. Instead of physical controls, these systems let you manage everything through the car's central touchscreen display. Visually, it gives your dashboard a clean, minimalist look. But from a usability standpoint, it can be less intuitive, especially when you're driving and need to make quick adjustments. The main issue is that touchscreen controls often require multiple taps or menu navigation to do something that once took a single turn of a knob. On the upside, touchscreen systems often offer precise digital control, dual zone or tri-zone climate settings, and automatic climate management features. They can remember your temperature preferences, sync with your heated seats, and even adjust based on sunlight or humidity. Secret number 8, color-coded engine parts. Pop open your hood, and you might be overwhelmed by a jungle of metal, wires, and hoses. But look closely, and you'll notice something clever: color-coded parts. Many modern cars use brightly colored caps or handles to show you exactly where to perform basic maintenance, like yellow for engine oil, blue for washer fluid, and green for coolant. If you've ever been nervous about checking your fluids or topping something off, this is your visual safety net. It reduces the risk of messing up crucial components and saves you from constantly Googling which cap is for what. Secret number 7, wireless charging pads. Wireless charging pads use induction technology to charge your smartphone without plugging in a cable. You simply place your phone on a designated pad, usually located in the center console. It's a clutter-free solution that keeps your phone charged while you drive. Many charging pads are key compatible, meaning they work with most modern smartphones. However, wireless charging is generally slower than wired charging and can overheat the phone. Secret number 6, auto-dimming rearview mirror. The auto-dimming rearview mirror is a simple but incredibly helpful feature that many drivers overlook. When activated, it adjusts the mirror's brightness to reduce the glare from headlights behind you. It works using electrochromic glass that darkens automatically when bright light hits it. Some cars even dim the side mirrors too, making it an all-around visibility enhancer. It's often overlooked because it works silently in the background, but once you notice the difference, you'll never go back to standard mirrors. Secret number 5, hidden storage spots. Modern cars are getting smarter, not just in technology, but in how they use interior space. And hidden storage spots are a perfect example of that. These are cleverly designed compartments that are tucked away in places you wouldn't immediately think to look, like under the rear seats, beneath the floor mats, inside armrests, or behind cabin panels. They're especially useful for keeping valuables, emergency gear, or even snacks out of sight. SUVs and family vehicles often include underfloor bins or side panel cubbies in the trunk area. Secret number 4, glass roofs. Glass roofs might look like a luxury straight out of a sci-fi movie, but they're showing up in more and more vehicles, from Teslas to mid-range SUVs. They give your cabin an open, airy feel, flood the interior with natural light, and offer a spectacular view of the sky that makes road trips feel next level. Some models even feature electrochromic or panoramic glass that can dim or open at the touch of a button, enhancing both comfort and style. But here's what most people don't realize. Glass roofs can make your cabin significantly hotter, especially under the blazing summer sun. They also add weight to the top of your car, which can slightly affect handling and even reduce fuel efficiency. Secret number 3, ambient lighting. Ambient lighting is a modern car feature that adds soft, indirect LED lights to the cabin, usually around the dashboard, door panels, cup holders, and footwells. It's designed more for aesthetic appeal and mood enhancement than function, but it can make night driving feel more luxurious and personalized. Many vehicles now allow drivers to choose from dozens of colors and adjust brightness levels to match their mood or driving style. It can also provide subtle visibility in the dark, helping you locate buttons or storage areas without being distracting. Overall, ambient lighting turns an ordinary cabin into a more inviting and modern driving environment. Secret number 2, 360-degree cameras. These systems use multiple cameras around the vehicle to create a bird's-eye view, stitched together and displayed on the screen. It's incredibly useful for tight parking spaces, parallel parking, or avoiding curbs. Some systems allow split-screen viewing or let you focus on just the front, side, or rear. It's a significant safety enhancement in urban driving or when backing up around kids and pets. Secret number 1, heads-up display. A HUD projects important information like speed, navigation, and safety alerts directly onto the windshield, right in your line of sight. This means you can keep your eyes on the road while staying informed, improving safety. Some systems are simple, showing just speed and warnings, while others are full color and can display navigation arrows and even lane information. They are especially helpful in poor visibility or high-speed conditions. That's all for this video. These are the hidden car features that have been under your nose this whole time. From brain-powered key fob boosts to security tricks and comfort upgrades, these built-in tools can change the way you drive. If you learned something new, hit that like button and tell me in the comments which feature surprised you the most.